back. The border controversy refusing to die down. Now the MVA staging a protest on the border controversy. Let's go across to my colleague Arunil, who is joining us with the details. Arunil, Karnataka Assembly has decided to pass a resolution deciding not to cede an inch of land to Maharashtra. Now we have the MVA staging a protest.
Well, that is right. You can see my video journalist Sachin Yeram is showing the visuals to you. On one side, there is the BJP. On the left side, there is the BJP that is protesting. On the right side, it is the Mahavikas Aghadi that has been protesting over here. Now, the demands from the Mahavikas Aghadi basically are saying that the Karnataka issue is not being handled well by the Maharashtra government. There are some other demands from their end as well. But primary demand is that only that repeatedly CM Bommai of Karnataka has been making, according to them, aggressive statements. Which means Aditya Thackeray, Aditya, protest has been held. How do you look at it? What do you want to say about it?
We are, of course, out on the streets. It's funny that the ruling party is also on the steps with us. But everyone knows from both the sides that there is absolutely a scam in the making there, and the Chief Minister has to resign, because even the amicus curiae and the court, if you see, in its observations have stated that the Chief Minister can probably direct the way of investigation.
Are you happy with the Chief Minister's stand on the Karnataka route, Deputy CM stand?
We don't have a proper Chief Minister. He's unconstitutional to start off with. And secondly, the man has no voice. He has no voice when he went to Delhi. He has no voice even after the Karnataka Chief Minister has been so aggressive about it. It's sad.
BJP is protesting, basically saying that the MVA has no issues. Without any issues, the MVA is protesting every day.
I think internally, if you check deep within their hearts, the BJP also doesn't want this dummy CM.
So, now we'll cut to visuals also, Pratibha. You can see the BJP is protesting over here. All the BJP MLAs have gathered here. Basically, they have been saying that the Mahavikas Aghadi has no locus stand है. With me is Mr. Girish Mahajan, senior BJP leader. क्यों protest कर रहे हो आप लोग और महाविकास आघाड़ी भी protest कर रही है?
नहीं, महाविकास आघाड़ी जो आरोप कर रही हो बिल्कुल कोई बुनियाद उसके नहीं है, बिल्कुल निराधार आरोप है। मुझे लगता है कुछ भी पिछले पेपर निकालना और कुछ भी बोलना, मुझे लगता है इस पे कोई जनता भी विश्वास नहीं करेगी। कोई
कर्नाटका इश्यू पे भी टारगेट किया जा रहा है कि सीएम और डिप्टी सीएम इसको बराबर से हैंडल नहीं कर रहे, प्रेशर आ रहा है सेंटर से इसकी वजह से।
पहली बार ऐसे हो रहा है कि भाई सेंट्रल ने इसमें कुछ मतलब हस्तक्षेप किया है। माननीय अमित भाई शाह इन्होंने मीटिंग ली, दोनों सीएम डिप्टी सीएम हमारे वहाँ पे मीटिंग में बैठे। मुझे लगता है जल्दी इसमें से कोई ना कोई हल निकलेगा, क्योंकि इतना छोटा विषय भी नहीं है कि बस एक दिन में मीटिंग हो गई और सब उसमें से सब समस्या का हल निकल गया। मुझे लगता है शुरुआत हुई है, पहली बार ऐसी पहल हुई है।
बट कल कर्नाटका के सीएम ने ये बोला कि बेलगावी या बेलगाव, आप लोगों का बेलगाव, उनका बेलगावी उनका है, क्योंकि कर्नाटका ज्यादा है उधर।
नहीं, अभी ये डिस्प्यूटेड मैटर है, ये इसमें कोर्ट में भी चल रहे हैं, ऊपर केंद्र में भी अभी सरकार ध्यान दे रही है, हमारे नेता ध्यान दे रहे हैं। मुझे लगता है जल्दी इसके ऊपर कोई ना कोई सोल्यूशन निकलेगा, क्योंकि कई सालों से ये मसला चल रहा है।
We'll again show the visuals from here. The BJP has been protesting, basically saying, Pratibha, that the MVA has no real issues, despite that they've been protesting every day on the stairs of the Vidhan Bhavan in Nagpur.
All right, Arunil, thank you for joining us with that update. So it's not just the MVA leaders, but also the BJP protesting outside the Vidhan Sabha.